Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to show you how I added Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to my E90 BMW. This hardware was provided by a company called Joyeauto. So in the box you got your quality certificate, user manual, and the adapter itself. So here are your instructions. So this is a little USB dongle that you plug into your car, and it has that little adapter for tight spaces. So let's go over to the car now. So this car is a 2008 335i with the CCC navigation system. One criteria is going to be that you already have an Android head unit installed in your E90, and this dongle is going to give you wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto with potential wireless Android Auto in the future. So that may seem like no big deal, but believe it or not, there wasn't an Android Auto option for these CCC Android head unit upgrades all this time. It's been a couple years and I haven't had real Android Auto until now, hopefully. First step is going to be to install the application on your Android head unit, which I've already done. You're basically going to go on Wi-Fi and then open a link in a browser to download the APK, install it, and then carry on from there. I'll of course put a link in the description for you guys that are interested in doing this. I'm going to go over to apps. If you see here, we have Joyeauto. That's the app I've already installed. It says please insert the dongle. As you can see, I already have a USB waiting behind my glove box, and I already have a cable leading to the head unit plugged into one of the other USBs, which I'll need for the Android Auto. I've plugged in the Joyeauto device. So it's asking if I want to allow access. I'm going to say yes and use default. Hit OK. And it asks to open Joyeauto when that device is connected. Now it says please connect the phone. I just connected the USB cable that runs to my phone. Now it says connecting. It's asking me to connect to Android Auto. And just like that, we have Android Auto. I'm using my iDrive controller, so we can use touchscreen. So this probably seems so simple, just to have Android Auto working from your phone instead of using this head unit, but it's a big deal. I've been trying to accomplish this for a while. If you follow videos on my channel going way back, you'll see that I found ways to do this, but not really that great. And screen mirroring, I've shown all that, but in this case here, this is just pure Android Auto, and it's what I've been looking for. There's Google Maps. Really responsive, touchscreen, exactly what I've been looking for. Really awesome. And you guys know how Android Auto works. This thing supports screen mirroring as well. So we can have wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mirroring. As you can see, lots of settings. You guys know how Google Maps works, but I can't demonstrate it because at the moment my car is out of commission. So now I'm connecting Apple CarPlay via Bluetooth. This is being done wirelessly. And there you go. Wireless Apple CarPlay. As you can see, we're using an iPhone to accomplish this. Really awesome. Very easy to set up. So now I just turned the car off and I plugged in my phone. Did nothing else. I just want to see what happens naturally when you plug in your phone on first startup. So I'm going to say use by default, so in the future it'll auto load for me. Okay, so it looks like now that I set that up, every time I plug in the USB cable into my phone, it's going to automatically start this app for you seamlessly, which is exactly what I'm looking for. But I want to try that one more time. I'm at my main menu. I'm going to plug in my USB. Come back to the Android head unit with doing nothing else. Let's see what happens. Boom. Straight to Android Auto. That's exactly what I've been wanting all this time. The app naturally is waiting in the background, looking out for me to connect the device. Straight away, you have it as if this was OEM integration, and you have the functionality you'd be looking for. So if you have one of these Android head units, I highly recommend this. Like, truthfully, this is something I've been waiting for a while, and I'm glad to see it's finally available to market. My phone is being charged, and we have that native OEM experience. Disconnecting my phone, and as you can see, like we talked about here, it has screen mirroring, so you can just screen mirror your phone completely, whether you have an Android or an iPhone. It's kind of cool. I don't think I'll be using that very much. I'll probably just be using it for Android Auto, but wireless Apple CarPlay is pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. A really quick video showing you how to have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly if you have one of these Android head unit upgrades. I've been looking for something like this for quite a while. This was sent to me for review, but I'm giving you my unbiased opinion. I'm very happy to see this thing finally exists. So I'll put a link in the description to the company if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I believe it's going to be $75. If this is the first video you're catching on mine, please consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching.